This is a very problem in that we have a variation of time versus v plotted. And whenever I see a picture of linear graphs, I want this to be the intercept and this to be the slope. Now, according to the IB, they claim that this is the correct answer. And I totally agree that this is the gradient. And I'm just baffled as to how they get this is the intercept, because in my mind, it really seems like this should be the line and the intercept. And the truth is, I think they are in error, and I don't have a good answer for you. So I'm going to ask around, but for now, I think I'm going to just throw that little answer out and just not count it. And we'll figure out what that does to your grades. Now, which one of the following is a correct definition of displacement? So let's be clear on what displacement is. So let's say I start here and I move to, say, here. So let's say I don't, so we'll just say I start at A, and we'll wind up at B. Now, let's say I just kind of start, kind of meander around, go to various different places, and finally wind up at B. Okay. The length, this total length, that is the distance. However, going from here to here directly, this is the displacement. And it actually has a direction. We're saying that we're going from A to B. So I will actually complete the arrowhead. Like that. So it's not just that it's distance from a fixed point or from a moved point. And it's not the distance moved. It's the distance from a fixed point in a given direction. I really like to say that it's the vector that represents B minus A in a photo like this. So that's questions number 4 and 5. And here we need to recall a small thing. Whenever I see a V versus T plot, I want to actually write a useful fact down even before I begin the problem. And the fact that I want to write down is to remind us that the area here tells us the distance, actually the displacement. And since we're only moving forward, this is going to be the distance in this case as well. So we want to know which areas, S1, S2, or S3. Or a combination of areas represents the total distance moved by the car during the time that its speed is reducing. So reducing speed means negative slope. Negative gradient means speed is being reduced. So what that gives us for the area, region 1 and region 3 represent reducing speed. So that is choice C. Alright, so that is questions 4, 5, and 6.